Okay, so one of the really cool things I like about OneNote is that it has the ability for you to be able to use it just as a pen and paper, really. It allows you to start a new page and then use your pencil to take your notes, and it keeps it all in one place. So let's look at the drawing tools now. So if you click the Draw tab, it opens it up. Text mode, obviously, it is as it is. So it allows me to add text. Okay. The lasso mode we'll come back to. And the insert space mode, I'm not quite sure how that works yet. So I might have to come back to you on that. But the most important thing is we've got these drawing tools. So this pen, I've got the ability to be able to choose a different colour, add pens, quite like this colour here. I'm going to make it nice and thick. I can tap onto my page and then I can draw onto the page. This is my text. Okay. I can draw right normally. I can put my hand on the page and I'll show you how to change that drawing mode later. To delete text that I don't want, double tap on my pencil and it changes it from the tool that I was working to the erasers, because that's the way that I've got it set up. So I'm going to go back to that tool. As you can see, I've got multiple tools at the top. So I've got a thin pen. I've got a highlighter so I can highlight text. I've then got two black pens. I think, well, what's the point in having two? So if I tap on that, I can then change or delete that. If I wanted to add, I can click add a different highlighter with a different color, so that allows me to then be able to jump from different tools. So that's a pink highlighter and a blue highlighter. Easy, nice and easy. Two fingers to move up and down the screen. It's easier to do. Also, two fingers to pinch in and out. So I'm just going to zoom up. I'm going to click the shapes button. So shapes allows me to put straight line. So I've got a nice straight line, and it will use the tool that you're using. So there's an arrow, which is quite pretty cool. And your shape here, I can draw a square or a rectangle. Shape an ellipse. Shape, I can do this, which is quite nice. I like that. So you could do quite a nice flow chart. And they've got some, it's a triangle, shape, diamond. Ooh, look at that. And we've got some nice graphs that we can then add, which is quite nice. Now, the ink to shape is quite nice in that it allows you to be able to draw a shape. That didn't draw my shape. There we go. You've got to, with ink to shape, you should have to just wait. So draw the shape that you want. So there's a triangle, and then just wait, and then it will turn it into a triangle. If I did a triangle like that and let go, sometimes it doesn't quite draw my triangle. It will do complex shapes. Should be able to do a hexagon. There we go. Pentagon. God, modern. So it will do quite cool stuff. So I quite like that. The drawing mode, as I alluded to earlier, allows you, so drawing with touch, if you don't have an Apple Pencil, then you can switch that on. So it allows you then to draw with my finger. But I have it switched off because I don't use my pencil, and then it allows me to move up and down the page with my finger, which is much easier. The stylus orientation, if you look at all of these, you can see it's designed for right-handed people and left-handed people. Depending on how you write, how you draw, mine's is fairly straightforward, so I have this middle one selected here, and that means that I can lean on the page with my hand and then write. So I can write whatever I want in here. Now, just to give a little bit more real estate on my page, you might think, well, what's the point in having all these menus at the side? So if I click this button here, I've now got a full page that I can then get access to, and I can draw all sorts of cool stuff inside that. To change that back, just click the arrow again, and I can go left and right and up and down within my OneNote. So there you go. There's the drawing tools in OneNote.